Alrighty, today we're looking at a quick overview of Popplet. It is a tool that you can use on the iPad or the web to organize and capture your ideas. So if you're interested in checking it out, make sure you go up here to popplet.com, and it's going to take you to a web page that looks like this. It's very easy. You can just log in, create a free account. I already have one, so we're just going to go ahead to mine. When using Popplet, you can make these diagrams that look just like this. It's really easy to organize ideas and brainstorm. It's very simple to use. There are buttons up here to change color, and it's just an awesome tool. Over here, there are example Popplets or pre-made ones. If you'd like to look through those, you can do just about any sort of subject you want. There are public Popplets, there are private Popplets. You can make as many as you want or as few. So this is just a brief overview of Popplet. It's basically a tool to make web diagrams virtually and share them amongst your students. Hi guys, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of Popplet. Popplet is an online digital tool that is available via the iPad or just a website like this at popplet.com, and it is a way to capture and organize ideas. You can make a free account, which is what I've already done by going up here and hitting try it out. It'll take you to this home page where you'll have a collection of Popplets, which I'll show you what they look like in just a second. There are pre-made Popplets on the side that you can go ahead and use on just about any subject you could ever want to know about. So the Popplets themselves are very easy to make. They're basically just a web diagram online. Here's an example of one I did for my website. And they're very simple to make. You can color code them and type anything you want. You can have as many or as few boxes as you choose, and it makes it really easy to get a good visual on just ideas and brainstorming. So that's just a basic overview of Popplet. There's public and private Popplets, and I hate this. Hi guys, today I am going to give you just a quick overview of Popplet. Popplet is an online digital tool that is available via the iPad or the web, and it's a way to capture and organize ideas via a digital web. Hi guys, today I'm going to give you an overview of Popplet. It is an online digital tool that you can use via the iPad or just the internet, and it is a way to capture and organize your ideas in a digital web diagram format. You can make a free account if you go to popplet.com and just hit the try it out over here and then log in. So I already have a Popplet account, so I'm just going to show you really quick what it looks like. It's very simple. There aren't a lot of buttons to confuse you. This is your home page. Over here you have all your Popplets. I already have 2 made. On your right you can search for public or private Popplets and basically look at any subject you could ever want to look at. There are the public Popplets, which load and you can look at them over here, or there's just your Popplets. So it's very easy. It's just a basic web diagram, but in a digital format. So this is one that I've already made. You can color code, add videos to your Popplets. It's very easy to use, and it is shareable, as you see with this share button up here. So Popplet overall is a very good resource to use if you want your students to brainstorm or create some sort of visual project that they can share with their classmates.